This is a copy of the absolute and unconditional pardon granted to U.S. Marine Lance Corporal Joseph Scott Pemberton. The written order was signed by President Rodrigo Duterte and dated September 7, 2020. Bucor began to process the U.S. soldier's release after receiving a copy of the written order this morning. And this afternoon, Bucor General Gerald Bantag signed Pemberton's release order. However, according to Pemberton's lawyer, the possibility of him being released today is low. In a text message, Flores explained that there are still procedures the Bureau of Immigration still has to follow. This is due to the deportation order against Pemberton that was released in September 2015. Thus, according to Bucor, from Camp Aguinaldo, Pemberton's custody will be transferred to the Bureau of Immigration, which will process his deportation. The BI will be escorting Pemberton until he boards a plane to ensure he leaves the country. But before that, he still needs to submit an NBI clearance to ensure he no longer has any active cases or charges in the country. However, according to Justice Secretary Minardo Guevara, it's possible that by the weekend, all these procedures can be over when Pemberton is released. But the exact date of his flight is still unclear. The NBI stated it has not yet received a request from either the BI or Bucor to proceed with a record check of Pemberton. Pemberton's camp has previously said he will be fetched by his superior from the United States with a military plane. Bea Bernardo for The Nation.